Okay, so here we have the finished model. Again, this is the saucer from the Forbidden Planet movie. It's called a C57D saucer, and pretty simple design. Model was painted again with mica silver from Tamiya, and this darker edge here was painted with Tester's Metallizer magnesium paint. And again, this model can be built in two configurations. You have the flying configuration, which allows you to see the inner engine framework through a clear lower dome on the bottom part of the ship. In the movie you see it glowing red. And you can also decide to build it in the landed configuration, which is what I have here. So in this position you have the retractable landing ramps that are able to be opened and closed. What's really cool is that the model has these plastic pieces that act like springs, so when you push the ramps up, they lock back into position there. So here, of course, they are in the extended position. One ramp, of course, has the staircase. The other one has a conveyor belt, and the other one is just a simple ramp. Alright, so let me just show you how the lighting worked out. So this is the lighting kit I purchased online. It holds a 2032 size battery that's hooked into this push switch. The kit comes all wired together with the switch in place. All you have to do is hook your LEDs to it. So there are three 3-volt LEDs hooked here, here, and here, positioned over the ramps. I drilled holes to allow them to shine through. Hooking all the reds together and all the blacks together, and then putting some shrink tubing over them, and it was just ready to go. So very simple. You just press the switch here and you can see all the LEDs come on. And when it's all lit up, the lights do shine through. You can kind of see it here right now. And what I'll do here is turn off the lights in this garage so you can get a better appreciation for it. Okay, so here you go. The lights are working pretty nicely here to create a nice effect. This is the ramp, of course, with the staircase. And you can see how these 3-volt LEDs are bright enough to cast the light down onto these ramps. I'll go ahead and turn it around here. And again, the model is a pretty simplistic design, so I wanted to add something that gave the model a little bit more character, and I think the LED effect here works pretty nicely to do that. Alright, so there you have it. This again is the 57D flying saucer from the Forbidden Planet movie. Pretty nice to add to your collection, especially if you want something from the classic era of science fiction. This makes them a pretty nice, fun project to put together. So the model again measures about 12 inches in diameter, which is smaller than the original release of this model, which I believe is a 1/350 scale. That one even included an interior. But this one is much easier to display on your shelf, so I think if you want to do something fun and quick, this is a nice project to work on. So thanks again for watching, I appreciate it, and I will see you again next time. Feel free to email me if you have any questions.